Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of my calendar. Here we go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about my calendar and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.